Hello, students. You all are welcome in the revision classes of class 8th. You can see some pictures in this slide. Can you guess what are of these pictures? Yes, right. These are the crops. These are the crops. What do these images show? You can tell me? Yes, you are right. These are the crops. Now, you can guess that today's revision topic is crop. We will learn about crop today. Now, I will show you some slides about the revision of this unit. Look at these images. You can guess? Yes, right. These are the microorganisms, and you can see in this slide a man is cutting the tree, and you can see in these images, these pictures are associated with the chapter. Now in this unit we will revise number 1, crop production and management, microorganism, friend and foe, and conservation of plant and animal. Now we will begin the chapter 1, crop production and management. You can see these are the wheat seeds. We eat rotis and bread. Rotis and bread are made up of what? These are made up of wheat. And wheat, where does it comes from? Wheat comes from wheat plant. This is the wheat field. मतलब मीन्स गेहूं का खेत, जिसे आप खेत बोलते हैं, या गेहूं की फसल जहां उगाई जाती है. Rice, this is rice. We eat idli, dosa and another rice product. These are made up of rice. And in the next slide, rice comes from the rice plant. This is the rice field and rice crop. What is this? All students, this is the cotton. We wear cloths made up of cotton in summer. From where does it come from? Cotton fiber comes from the cotton plants, and we wear cotton cloths which are made from the cotton fiber. This is the cotton field. How beautiful is this looking? Now we will know about the difference between plant and crop. What is plant and what is crop? A plant is a living organism that is usually made up of stem, roots, leaves, and grows out of the earth. Plant is a single, and crop, when plants of the same kind, एक ही प्रकार के प्लांट जब बहुत बड़ी मात्रा में एक खेत में उगाए जाते हैं तो उसे हम क्रॉप